Assalamualaikum class 5. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So class, today is 10th of September 2021 and the day is Friday. Fine? So class, yesterday as you remember, we have discussed word problems. ऐसे ही है? Okay. So who will tell me to solve word problems? We have discussed some of instructions. जिसके बगैर हम solve नहीं कर सकते. So who will tell me what are instructions that we have to follow? G. Fatma. Very good. Read. The first instruction of word problem is to read. Okay? Read. We have a statement. We just read speedily the statement. Now, the second instruction, who will tell me? Yes, Maham? Very good. The second instruction is understanding. Understanding means the hidden objects. What are the objects that they have given to us and what we have understand in the given statement. Okay? Now, what is the third instruction? Who will tell me? Third instruction हम लोगों ने क्या पढ़ा था? Very good. Write. After understanding the statement, we will able to write the objects. Fine. We are able to write the objects, which is right. Now, the fourth instruction, which is G. Who will tell me? Which is to solve. Very good. The fourth instruction is to solve. So class, these are four instructions to solving word problems. First is read, second is understanding, third is write, and the fourth is to solve. Am I clear? Okay. Now class, today we have a topic which is application of BODMAS rule on fraction. So class, we have already learned about BODMAS rule for whole numbers. हम तो पहले पढ़ चुके हैं BODMAS rule क्या होता है numbers के लिए, but in this lesson, we will apply the same rule on fractions. ठीक है? We will apply the same rule on fractions. Now, I have this word, which is BODMAS. Fine. Now who will tell me what is B stands for? G. Fatma Zia. Very good. Brackets. Okay? Brackets. O stands for class. O. D stands for G. D stands for. Who will tell me? D stands for division. D stands for division. Next is M. Who will tell me what is M stands for? M क्या होता है क्लास, किसको रिप्रेजेंट करता है? What is M stands for? what is S stands for? Very good. Very good, Usman. We have subtraction in the end. Now this is the sequence to solve any question which have more than 2 operations. So we will apply Bode-Mass rule. Okay? First of all we will solve bracket sign. जो भी bracket में होगा, it doesn't matter, it has positive sign, it has negative sign, it has multiplication, addition and subtraction. You just concentrate on the bracket and you have to solve it. Now, in second step you will solve division. Sequence क्या है देख रहे हो आप? First bracket, second is division, third is multiplication. Third is multiplication. Then we have addition. We will use plus sign. And in the end we will solve subtraction sign. Okay, so this is the way, or this is the sequence that we will apply to solve Bode-Mass rule on fractions. Now class, today we have a number. We have first of all an example which is class 7 by 5 plus bracket 4 by 5 minus multiplication 1 by 2 bracket close minus 4 by 5. If you look class, we have an example in which 3 signs are involved at a time. So what would we do? Should we apply Bode-Mass rule? कर सकते हैं हम इसके ऊपर इस एग्जाम्पल पे? Yes, because there are 3 operations are used at a time. ठीक है? So जब भी at a time आपके पास more than 2 operations होंगे तो आप उसको क्या करोगे? उसके ऊपर Bode-Mass rule लगाओगे. Now according to the conditions or the sequence that I told you a while ago, the first sequence is bracket. We will solve bracket portion. ठीक है? Either it is multiplication in it, either it is or multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. It doesn't matter the sign in bracket. We will simply solve the bracket first. Now I am going to solve. You have to listen class. The first fraction as it is, which is 7 by 5. Now there is a sign of plus, I will write it as it is. Now, if you look, there are 2 fractions and there is a sign of multiplication. So how would we solve it? हम लोगों ने ये पढ़ा हुआ है. Think of class, how we can solve this. हम इसको कैसे solve करेंगे? Very good. We will simply multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. Now class, in first upper portion we have 4 1 times, which is 4, and 5 2 times 10. Okay? Now in next step we will write minus sign, which is like, and then we have 4 by 5, which is like this, 4 by 5. Am I clear? Now what would we do? अब हम क्या करेंगे? We will open the bracket. Fine. So there is no any sign with this number in the bracket, so we will assume plus here. हम क्या assume करते हैं? Plus. And if you look class, there is no any sign in between of 2 bracket and this sign. So we will assume multiplication. जब bracket involve हो जाती है और कोई sign involve में नहीं होता तो हम assume करते हैं, उसको considered करते हैं as a multiplication sign. So plus 2 signs are involved which are like. So we will simply write plus here. The fraction as it is, then minus 4 by 5. Now class, if you look, we have 3 fractions in this step. And how many operations are in this step class? Who will tell me? Yes, Mariam, you tell me. Very good. We have 2 operations. The first is addition and the second is subtraction. So first of all class, we will solve addition sign. हम इसको solve करेंगे, इन दोनों fractions को जिसमें क्या है addition involve हो रहा है. So for addition we have also discussed if we have 2 fractions, ठीक है, if we have 2 fractions and there is a sign of addition, so what would we do? हम क्या करेंगे? We will simply make denominators same. हम denominators को same बनाते हैं. So if you look, there is first denominator which is 5 and the other is 10. If there is any common in between of 2, जी हम 5 को 10 बना सकते हैं. Very good. By how many times I will multiply 5 to get 10? Very good. 2 times. I will multiply 5 2 times to get 10. Now I am going to write. You have to listen very carefully class, which is like this. We have discussed the rule. If the number we will multiply in denominator, the same number will be multiplied in numerator as well. ओके, जिस नंबर को हम क्या करते हैं डिनोमिनेटर में मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, सेम नंबर को हम न्यूमरेटर में भी अप्लाई करेंगे, मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, बिकॉज इट इज द रूल ऑफ इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन. ठीक है, दिस इज द रूल ऑफ इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन. नाउ क्लास, द नेक्स्ट फ्रैक्शन विल बिकम आफ्टर मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ दिस, व्हिच इज 7 2 times 14 and 5 2 times 10 plus 4 by 10 minus 4 by 5. Okay? If you look class, in next step class, we will simply solve plus sign which is 10 denominator and simply add numerator as it is, which is 14 plus 4, and the next fraction which is 4 by 5 we will write as it is. Now we will write denominator as it is 14 plus 4. G, who will tell me? Abdul Rafi, you tell me 14 plus 4. Very good. We have 18. After adding 4 into 14, we have 18. Then we will write minus 4 by 5. Okay? Now class, if you look, we have denominators different and there is a sign of minus in it. So what would we do? हम क्या करेंगे? We have discussed already this term. When there is a sign of addition or subtraction in between of 2 fractions, so what would we do? हम क्या करेंगे? Who will tell me? Yes, Minahil? Very good. We will first of all make denominator same. So we want to make 5 as 10. अब क्या करेंगे? हम 5 को 10 बनाने हमने. By how many times I will multiply 5 to get 10? G. G Minahil? Very good. I will multiply 5 to 2 to get 10. The same number I will multiply in numerator because it is the rule of equivalent fraction. Now the next fraction will become 18 by 10 minus 4 2 times 8 and 5 2 times 10. If you look, 10 is same, denominator same, so in the next the numerators, which is 18 minus 8. Who will tell me? Sikandar, you tell me what we have in the end after subtracting 18 in minus 8. Very good. 10. जब हम 18 में से 8 को subtract करेंगे, we have 10. I will write 10 in numerator and 10 in denominator. Both numbers are class same, so I will cut it. मैं क्या करूँगी? I will cut it. In the end, I have 1. Okay? Now class, I am going to repeat. You have to be listen very carefully. First of all, if you look, we have first fraction which is 7 by 5. 7 by 5. Then there is a sign of plus class. Then we have a bracket, and in bracket we have two fractions, which is first is 4 by 5 and the other is 1 by 2. And there is a sign of multiplication. Fine. Then we have minus sign and then we have 4 by 5. So class, according to board math rule, we will apply first, we will solve first bracket. हम कब apply करते हैं board math rule? When we have more than two operations. ठीक है, जब हमारे पास दो operations से ज़्यादा operations mean symbol से ज़्यादा signs involved हो जाते हैं, तो हम क्या करते हैं? We will use board math rule. So first of all, we will simply solve bracket. हम किसको solve करेंगे? Bracket को. It doesn't matter what is the sign in between. Okay? So if you look class, we have a sign of multiplication in bracket. So we will simply multiply numerators with numerator and denominator with denominator. So after multiplication, we have in the end is 4 by 10. Okay? We have 4 by 10. Next we will write minus sign as it is, and then we will write 4 by 5 as it is. Now, after writing 4 by 10, we will open bracket. If you look, there is a sign of plus with 4 by 10. And there is also sign plus outside the bracket. And there is any no number with plus, so we will simply multiply both the signs. In the end, we will write plus, because when two same signs are involved and there is a sign of multiplication, we will simply write positive sign. Okay? In next step, 7 by 5 plus 4 by 10 minus 4 by 5 is your step. So if you look class, we have two signs involved. First is plus and the other is negative. First of all, according to the sequence of board math rule, we will simply solve addition sign. Now, the first fraction is 7 by 5 and the next is 4 by 10. First of all, we will make denominator same by multiplying 5, which makes 10. So, fraction next क्या बन गया? 14 by 10 and the next fraction which is 4 by 10. We will simply write only one time 10 in next step, because both numbers having same denominator, and we will simply add the numerators, which is 18 and minus 4 by 5 as it is. If you look, still we have different denominators and there is a sign of subtraction in between. So ये बात आपने याद रखनी है कि हम denominator कब same बनाते हैं. We will make denominator same only one condition, when there is a sign of addition and subtraction in between of two fractions. Okay? Now, we have minus sign still in both fractions, so we will just make denominator same. After writing or making denominator same, we have in the end is 10, which is numerator, and 10 also in denominator. So we will cut here. After cutting, we have 1 in the end. So this is how class we can apply board math rule on an expression. ठीक है? So you have to practice is related question on your notebook. If you find still any difficulty, you can ask me. Exercise number 3D. And question number is 4. Question number is 4. You can solve 1, 2, 3 parts at least in your notebook. Thank you class. Allah Hafiz.